Hello children. Today we are going to learn alphabets from A to D with relevant pictures. Let's start. Colors: brown color, red color, pink color, green color. Red color for the first line, I'm using red color. Brown color, I'm using brown color for second line. Pink for third line. Green for fourth line. Red color, A for apple. Let's color the apple with red color. A for apple. A for apple. A for aeroplane. What is it, children? It is aeroplane. A for aeroplane. A for apple. A for arrow. Arrow. Let's color it with red color. Arrow. Finish. A for arrow. A for apple. A for aeroplane. For the second line, I am using brown color. Let's get started. B for ball. This is boat. I am using brown color to color the boat. B for boat. This is B and this is boat. B for boat. This is ball. B for ball. I am using brown color to color the ball. B for boat. B for ball. B for bus. This is bus. And this letter is B. B for bus. B for boat. B for ball. B for bus. Pink color. I am using pink color to color C. C for cup. I am using pink color to color this cup. This is cup. C for cup. C for cat. This is cat. C for cat. Let's color it with pink color. C for cat. C for cup. C for car. This is car. Do you know, children? What is this? This is car. C for car. C for cup. C for cat. C for car. Now I am using green color to color alphabet D. D. This is D. D for duck. Now I am using green color to color duck. D for duck. D for drum. This is drum. D for drum. D for drum. D for duck. This is dog. D for dog. D for dog. D for duck. D for drum. Keep practicing, children.